প্ৰাসংগিক।
নমস্কাৰ শ্ৰোতাসকল, আজিৰ প্ৰাসংগিক অনুষ্ঠানত আমি মহিলা আৰু শিশুৰ পুষ্টিৰ সৈতে জড়িত কিছু কথা আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছো। আমাৰ সৈতে আছে শিশুক মাতৃদুগ্ধ পানৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সজাগতাৰ সৃষ্টিৰ হকে কাম কৰি অহা সংস্থা BPNR সদস্য ডক্টৰ অৰুণ গুপ্তা। আহক আমি তেখেতৰ সৈতে কথা পাতো। Dr. Gupta, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we'd like to know what sort of activities you and your organization is performing regarding nutrition development in our society.
Yeah. I am a pediatrician and one of the founders of the Breastfeeding Promotion Network of India since 1991.
Okay.
Our major focus of activities has been on the promotion and protection of breastfeeding.
Okay.
Right at the time of before birth, after birth, when this is the time of fundamental development of the human body. The brain develops during first 2 years. Almost all part of the brain, 95% develops during first 2 years. So feeding of the babies, how they are fed, how they are interacted is very important. That's where breastfeeding plays a role. And we started working on control of formula marketing. The formula means the milk formula, the powder milk formula, which was very rampant in marketing in the years. So we started lobbying for a law to ban its promotion. So that is one part of our work which led to law. And now in India, none of the food below the age of 2 years can be put on advertisement or promoted through any other means.
Okay.
So that is one part which protects them from the commercial, which unnecessarily pushes highly processed, high sugar products into babies. So that's part one. And we are continuing from there. Our second point is that we continue to analyze the policies at the national level as well as in the state, how they support women. For example, maternity protection, how much is the maternity leave, how many women are getting, so all that. And when earlier maternity leave was 3 months, we got into with several groups, women groups and all. So we were party to that when it became 6 months.
Okay.
Thirdly, we continue our awareness on breastfeeding and other related issues during World Breastfeeding Week. And we continue to meet political people and the policymakers so that they are well aware how the programs need to be strengthened. We need health workers to be trained to help mothers to be successful in breastfeeding. Our program has now been adopted by the Government of India as MA program to promote breastfeeding in the health facilities. So such are the activities we are doing. We continue to monitor companies that are behaving, and if they are doing something wrong, we bring it to the attention of the government.
Okay. So you are working in this field for long years. And how is your experience in this journey? How much aware common people are?
The journey has been exciting and challenging both. In spite of getting a good law which was appreciated all over the world at that time in 1992.
Okay.
And then in 2003, we are still, pursuing for its good implementation at the level of the state or a district, or where still the companies are playing games. Experience has been good in the sense that this law has curtailed the consumption of powder milk formulas in our children. And if this law was not there, they would have been consuming a lot more. Data is available like China's children are consuming 20 times higher than Indian children are consuming.
Okay.
Not that India continues to consume, we still don't want to work on that Indian children consume less than even that. Currently, about 30,000 tons of baby milks are sold in India every year. So we do want to reduce that also in coming years. So other parts of the journey, like women continue to receive less support from this whole of the hospital system or the working system, in spite of the fact there is a good law to support them for maternity protection. Not many women are aware of it. So the government, we continue to, this question to the government, they should keep and inform all the women who are working in the organized sector as well as in the shops and establishments, mines, all, they should be aware that they can avail 6 months maternity leave. So these are the kind of things which still there is a need for more work. So this journey has to continue actually, because the generation after generation will be affected.
Okay.
And at one point of time, we got a proposal. The industry continues to weaken this law because it is not in their favor of, because industry has to make profits out of this product. So that's how the journey continues in a challenging way.
Okay.
That we need the future generation, the younger people need to take.
Okay. You have said that you are working to make people aware of the importance of breastfeeding. So what
Yes.
sorts of development, positive changes are seen in this aspect?
In breastfeeding, the positive part is when I was working with mothers and children in 80s, I would say there was a bit of a resistance to when we would promote exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months in 90s also. So this law helped us to, check the decline. And in those years, the breastfeeding was on a decline in 70s and 80s. So then for next 20 years, I think the decline was stopped. So we then had a stage where breastfeeding rates were to go up. In the last 5 years, we are seeing now the breastfeeding rates have started going up at the national level, combining all the states. And there are some states who are doing good. Some states still need to do more work on it so that India can have better breastfeeding rates in 2025. So that's the aim, that India should have exclusive breastfeeding around 70%, which currently is about 55%.
Okay. So how important the role of family and society providing nutrition of a breastfeeding woman?
Family and society's role is crucial when the family members make a decision about what a woman should eat and what she should not. So the awareness of that family that, the food should be available, that all kinds of foods, raw fruits, raw vegetables, lentils, animal source products, milk and other which are healthy should be available at home. But if the foods are not available, people are poor, they cannot buy, then it is the government's duty to step in to ensure that these foods are available and in such a way that all the members of the family can eat diverse food so that they are able to enjoy good nutrition. Good nutrition doesn't come just by a couple of things. Current data suggests that children between the age of 6 to 24 months get only less than 20% children are eating 4 food groups, which they should be eating. 4 food groups means diverse foods like milk, or so they're getting breast milk, no doubt, but they're getting other foods like fruits or vegetables or lentils or cereals, and in a fresh manner, not highly processed foods. So that's another element of role where the family, we need to educate the families to avoid unhealthy foods, which is very important. As WHO also suggests, what is a healthy diet? It should not contain, foods high in sugar, high in salt, like fruit drinks. These are not useful, like cola drinks or whichever, and snacks which are like highly fried and with high salt snacks. All these are unhealthy products. They should not be given to any family member, whether it's a child. It's more important as a child so that he has whole life ahead of them. And it is scientifically proven that this kind of diet, unhealthy diet, can lead to obesity. Children and adults tend to eat more. It leads to more cancer. It leads to more diabetes. So these are the very serious problems which take a huge economic as well as health care cost to any community, family, nation, state, whosoever. Because it's a lifelong problem. If a person gets diabetes, the person gets it lifelong. He or she has to take medicines lifelong. That's healthcare cost. Secondly, if we can prevent these, this is the time to prevent. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gupta. You have provided us lots of valuable information, and we do hope our listeners would also be benefited. Thank you once again.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
প্ৰাসংগিক অনুষ্ঠানটি শুনিলে। আজিৰ অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ প্ৰযোজনা কৰিলে মানস প্ৰতিম শৰ্মাই, সহযোগিতা আগবঢ়ালে পাৰবিন হুছেইনে। পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰাসংগিক শুনিবলৈ পাব অহা সপ্তাহত আজিৰ এই একেই সময়তে। নমস্কাৰ।